Hey guys, welcome to Squadron TV. I'm Brandon, your host, and this morning I've got several new kits that I want to show you. Not in great detail. I'm going to do a separate video for each one of these to show you more detail of what you get. But I'm kind of excited about these, so I just wanted to give you an overview of some of the things that we've received to the shop recently. So first, I guess I've got this M1070 dump truck right in front of me from Hobby Boss in 1/35th scale. This has been a really popular kit. Any of these heavy trucks, US, 35th scale, you can't have enough of them. So, and this kit looks really nice. Again, we'll have a closer look in another video. But plenty of plastic, standard Hobby Boss kit. If you've built any Hobby Boss or even Trumpeter 35th scale kits, this will be very familiar. Clear parts, decals, some photo etch included, and the wheels are rubber wheels. More photo etch. So just a really nice kit. Again, we'll open this up and go through it a little bit more in another video. Another kit in the aircraft department, or the what if sci-fi department, whatever you want to call it, is this new from Academy, the Horten 229 in 72 scale. Pretty cool little kit. And if you know me at all, yeah, and you'll get to know me if you don't, I love this what if, never was, sci-fi, whatever you want to call it, type of stuff from World War II. This is a very simple kit. It'll be a lot of fun to build. It does come with a nice decal sheet. And for me, it's going to be a really nice companion to the 72 scale Haunebu kit that I'm building, which, by the way, that kit, we also have some new announcements for it. If you know anything about the Squadron Models 72 scale Haunebu II kit, you might remember that when it was originally released by Texas Squadron, they released it a few different ways. The standard basic kit, of course, and then they followed up with two other variants. I think they called one of them a deluxe set, but basically it was a civilian travel. Obviously a what if, but you know, what if you were able to go down to the airport and take a trip, take a flight on one of those, and they imagined it to come out looking something like this with the silver, pretty cool looking kit. That kit also included several resin upgrades and a different decal set. We have chosen to release that version, but not as another model kit, but rather as an upgrade or a conversion set. So basically you buy our kit, the Haunebu II kit, and then you can buy this conversion pack, and it includes all of the parts necessary to build the kit to look like this. And again, we'll go through this in another video soon. And another version would be the Alien Invaders version. And basically this strips all the guns off of the kit and allows you to build it as a nice sleek UFO or alien style flying saucer. So a couple of really cool items. I guess I did not bring them with me, but we also have a set of brass turned barrels to replace the kit barrels. Very nice. And then the other thing that was included in the original deluxe version were some upgraded resin wheels, and those are not going to be included in either of these two sets. Rather, we're releasing the wheels as a totally separate item themselves, so you can buy the wheels or don't buy the wheels, buy the conversion sets or not. You can kind of pick and choose however you want to do that. Let's see, the other thing that's pretty cool, and I'll have some more pictures of these soon, the X Plus T-Rex from Jurassic Park. I've got some test shots of it here. Very cool kit. I'm a big Jurassic Park fan, and as soon as they said that they were going to be releasing this kit, I got pretty excited. But then after seeing it in person, I got even more excited. This past weekend at Wonderfest, Jeremy from X Plus was in our booth with us all weekend, and he brought some of the painted up display models. And of course he had one of the T-Rexes. It just looks great, so I'm excited to get one of those. It is a standard plastic model kit for those of you who may not know anything about X Plus. So they are licensed by Universal, and the kit is all plastic. Just really nice detail. This particular kit includes a small figure, where's he at, of Malcolm being chased, so that's really neat, and the likeness in 35th scale is pretty good. That kit also includes the display base for the T-Rex to be running on, and back here you've got the fence, and they include some small metal wire to rig that fence, so that's a pretty cool little touch. So those kits will be here at the 1st of July, so make sure and get one of those ordered if you are a fan like myself. Let's see, what else do we have? The next Squadron in Action book will be the F-16 Fighting Falcon in Action, and very excited about that. This is written by David Doyle, and just a really nice book. We just got this one in to make sure the hard copy is how we want it, but just another good addition to the Squadron in Action series. And we've got another book written by, actually two more written by David Doyle that we will have soon. One of them we have already announced on our websites, the Vietnam Gun Trucks Detail in Action, so excited about that. And then we've not really announced it yet, but we will be very soon. We've got a the B-36 Peacemaker in Action. That will be coming up as well. And then of course the TBD Devastator book written by Dana Bell will be coming along this year as well. So just lots of new books, very excited. Let's shift over to ship models for a moment. And back with Free Time Hobbies, we always carried Flyhawk models, and took us a little while to get rolling with Flyhawk with Squadron, but just because we have so much going on. But we finally got rolling with them, and just got a nice shipment. We got their new SMS Emden kit in stock, as well as the long-awaited Iron Duke 1914 configuration. And Flyhawk, these kits, they are plastic, just regular plastic injection kits, but they do offer them a few different ways. They offer them just as the standard kit, and also as a deluxe kit, as many manufacturers are doing these days. So for example, this Iron Duke, this is the deluxe, so you can see that in the box you get brass barrels, you get photo etch, you get other little metal parts, brass parts, just all sorts of goodies, and their presentation's pretty nice. All the parts are nicely wrapped. Their photo etch looks very similar to Flyhawk's photo etch sets that you can buy. Of course, one of their main products that they have always offered, that they started with, were just photo etch sets. So the way that their photo etch is included in these kits is very similar to how they sell their photo etch separately. But the parts on these are just really nice. If you're a fan of 700 scale ship models and you've not tried one of these Flyhawk kits, you got to try one. The detail is really nice, and these kits just build up very nicely. So you'll be pretty happy with those, and they've got some very interesting subjects for sure, as you can see with these two. Now, one of the other things that they do, in addition to having just the deluxe set, they sell something they call a set. So you have an Iron Duke deluxe kit, and you have an Iron Duke set, I believe they call it, and that is going to include this additional box. And in this box, and again we'll go through this in another video in more detail, but in this box you also get a wood deck, you get a display base, you get a display stand, and it says Iron Duke on it. You get a paint mask for the deck. So paint masks for decks, when you are putting a wood deck down, you don't want to put that wood deck on top of paint because it could peel up. You want to put it straight to plastic. So you put the deck mask down, and then you can paint your ship. You can paint the deck pull the deck mask up, and then put the wood deck down, and you're good to go. So that's included in this, and they offer that set in most of their kits, and I believe we have many of those, and we will have more of those as we go forward. But both of these kits are available now, in addition to quite another, I don't know, dozen, maybe 15 or 20 other of their ship kits. And for the airplane guys, they have a couple of 72 scale plane kits, and they're going to expand that line. So make sure to check out the aircraft section on our website and see what they have available there too. So very excited, and they're not leaving the armor guys out. They have a full line of 72 scale tanks and other vehicles as well. So very nice stuff, good company to work with, and we're excited to have them. We've always had them at Free Time, excited to have them at Squadron now. So check that out. For ships, this is, so the Verifire USS Atlanta. I told several of you that I was working on building one of these, and I am. It's just very, very slow going, but wanted to give you an update on where I'm at. Not very far along at all, because I decided to do the full detail version, which means I have spent all of my time so far scraping off windows and doors and ladders that were molded into the plastic and replacing them with the included photo etch in the deluxe kit. It's going to end up being very nice. I'm excited. I'm glad I'm doing the full detail version, but it is taking me a lot longer than I hoped. I do hope to have this done soon, and I'll have more build log videos posted soon. But just wanted to give you an update because several of you have emailed me asking me how it's going. So, and I don't have one here to show you, but a lot of people were asking about the review video we did earlier with Chris Martins and Martin Quinn. Were asking about the non-skid, were oversized. You know, we talked about that, and we were looking at getting some decal replacements. I said, well, we got that worked out. So Above and Below Graphics produces some very nice decals in 350th and 700 scale that we have in stock now. I just added them to the website yesterday, and I'm going to use them myself on this build, so I'll see how they go. But you'll be able to scrape those oversized non-skid off of the plastic and replace them with these decals. So make sure to check those out. I do have them in stock now on the website. They have like several different versions, different sizes and whatnot in both scales. So that will be very good. And then finally, the last thing I have to show you this morning is our new catalog. Finally got this done. It took so long to get it done. When I first set out to do this, I had no idea how involved it was going to be and what I was getting myself into. But I'm glad I did it, and even though I'm long overdue, it's finally here, and we're very excited about it. You can see this thing is huge. If you've got any other Squadron signal books, you know, compared to a standard in action book, it's quite large. But it is 500 pages, or I guess 496 pages plus the cover, makes a total of 500. But it's slap full of things to look at. It starts out with the aircraft, then you start going through, I forget how I laid it out, I think ships are next. Then you get into some of the armor, some of the cars, some of the figures, just all sorts of stuff. I have no idea how many products are in here. I started out keeping up with it, but towards the end it was so many I just kind of lost count. But it is slap full of things to look at, so if you prefer old school shopping, this is the ticket. There'll be plenty of things to choose from in here, and we're very excited to have this out. They are for sale on our website now, and you can click over to www.squadron.com and place an order for one of those, or you can call me and we can get you one going there. It's 877-414-0434. Be happy to get you going for one. They will be ready in July, and we're looking forward to getting those out to you. So again, all these kits, I do plan to give a little bit more in-depth view of what you get inside, and I'll do them as individual videos, and I'll try to get going on that this week. But for now, I've got to jump in the truck and head over to the shop because I'm sure we have plenty of orders to get packed up and shipped to you today. So we sure do appreciate the business, and as always, give me a call anytime you need anything. Drop me an email, click over to our website at squadron.com. We are here to help you, and looking forward to talking with you or seeing you at a show soon. Have a great day, and until next time, take it easy.